New at 6, a South Florida family is pleased. The Food and Drug Administration has given emergency use authorization for convalescent plasma as part of a treatment plan for people infected with the coronavirus. But as CBS 4's Ted Scouten explains, experts say that authorization is not the same as approval.
I was in coma for more than 3 months.
For 87 days, Dr. Vladimir Laroche was in a coma and on a ventilator suffering from COVID-19. In April, his family made sure he got convalescent plasma as part of his larger treatment to help battle the virus.
I put my trust in God. I said God will do whatever that needs to be done. So when I received the plasma, I think that somehow the plasma helped.
It was really looking grim at that point in time, and the plasma within 24 hours showed a little sign of improvement, which gave the doctors a window of opportunity.
Paul Laroche is Vladimir's brother. He says the family is pleased the FDA issued emergency use authorization for convalescent plasma. It will allow widespread use without requiring authorization. But experts say there's a caution.
So they were very clear in that letter to state that they are not giving full blanket approval. They are giving you emergency authorization. That's the value of it.
Dr. Deshante Jayavira is an infectious disease and COVID-19 researcher with the University of Miami's Miller School of Medicine. He's part of a study to determine how effective convalescent plasma is as part of the treatment plan for someone who's infected. He says even with this emergency approval, the research must continue.
It's one of the things in the toolbox. It's one of the things that we can use. It is not a magic bullet at all. It is one of the things that we can use.
Dr. Laroche and his family are grateful they got approval early on, calling it a lifesaver.
We went forward with it, and thank God that was the first sign that something got through and gave them the opportunity to be able to move forward with other therapies, with other medical interventions.
And of course, hospitals get that convalescent plasma from people who have already been infected with COVID-19. To find out more about if you perhaps have the antibodies or how you can donate, just go to our website, cbsmiami.com. In Fort Lauderdale, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.